Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be going over my entire contemporary bag collection. If this is the first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have a collection video. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, as you guys know, I do have a few like actual luxury bags, but I do have a fair few of contemporary handbags as well. And with all the prices being so high as of now, and with the trend of quiet luxury still going on, I did want to show off all of my contemporary handbags to you guys and tell you what I think about them, if I think they're worth it, and just give you a rundown of the bags that are definitely going to be easier on your wallet. And we're also going to be going by price. So I am going to be starting with the least expensive contemporary handbag and going up to the most expensive contemporary handbag that I have in my collection. So starting off with the first one here, I have the one and only Lululemon belt bag. This, I want to say, is Lululemon considered a contemporary brand? I have no idea. I'm gonna put it in this video anyways because this bag is so popular. Here is what it looks like. It is just this pouch. It's like a bum bag, and I did find one with the gold toned hardware, which I'm obsessed with, and it has a gold toned zipper as well, if you can see that. Here is what it looks like on the inside. It has one pocket here, and then it does have two like organizations pockets right here. So there's one, and then there's one on the other side. So that's what it looks like on the inside. It's very, you know, malleable. It's very flimsy, so you can definitely fit a good amount of stuff in here. I do think this retails for around $38, so it definitely is going to be the least expensive bag in this collection video. And then on the back, it does have one zip pocket as well. This bag is fantastic. I totally understand why so many people love this bag and like why everyone and their mom has it. You can of course wear it across your body like this, or you can wear it over your hips as like a traditional bum bag. It is adjustable, so you just take these and move them like up or down to adjust it, and it has this buckle to snap it shut. I'm not going to talk too much regarding this bag because I'm not even sure if Lululemon is considered a contemporary brand, but I just wanted to go over it just because I do have it in my collection and I do wear it pretty often. So that's going to be the first bag. The second bag I have here to show you is going to be the next step up on the price point, and it is definitely a contemporary handbag brand. It is by Longchamp. This is the Longchamp Le Pliage cosmetics pouch with handle. I have mine in the color paper. I know this color is super hard to get your hands on, but I do know that they are restocking it every so often. So if you are wanting to get your hands on this color specifically, then I would totally sign up for their like notify list to be notified when it's back in stock. Here's what this bag looks like. Now I will say this is meant to be a cosmetics pouch. I did DIY this bag and I turned it into a crossbody bag. I did add these two little grommets on the side. It does not come like this. It just comes like, pretend like it looks like this. It looks exactly like this when you first get it here. It does not have these gold grommets, but I did DIY this into a crossbody bag. So I put these grommets in here, and then it is a button closure as well as a zip closure. So you do have a lot of security. I did buy a crossbody strap for it. I just bought it from Amazon. You can get like really good crossbody straps from like AliExpress or Etsy. This one right here, the leather does not match exactly this bag, but I mean, it's pretty close, and I don't think that anybody would be able to notice, but you can buy straps that perfectly match this bag from like AliExpress, but I didn't want to do that because it was going to take like a month to get to me, so I just went with this. I can just attach this over here and wear it as a really cute crossbody bag. And did I say how much this was? I don't remember. So this bag retails for $85, and with taxes, I want to say that it was like a flat $90. So definitely a little bit more expensive than the Lululemon belt bag, but definitely on the lower end of the spectrum. If you are not wanting to permanently alter your bag, they do have other options of turning it into a crossbody bag by attaching little loops to this right here, to this little handle. But I've seen it done like that too. I just like this look better. Like, I genuinely think this bag looks great like this. Like, it looks like it's meant to be there. I love it. And this bag and the Lululemon bag, I want to say, are made out of like a similar material. It's like a nylon type material. Yeah, so it's like a nylon type material, and then this does have little bits of brown leather all throughout. Here's what the back looks like, and of course there is no feet. This bag is amazing. I love this bag. It is going to be so hot for the summertime. Like, I've already seen on Instagram like multiple people talking about how popular this bag is going to be for the summer. It's already very popular, or it was already very popular for the spring, but people are going to just be like losing their minds over this bag in the summer. And it's a fantastic bag to lose your mind over because it's so inexpensive comparatively to like other luxury handbags. Number 3 I have on this list to show you today is going to be my Songmont Luna bag. They are a Asian owned brand, and I absolutely adore their handbags. This is the Luna bag. Let me just take her out of the dumpling shape because I'll tell you about this bag. You can wear her 4 different ways, and each way gives the bag a different vibe. This bag does retail for $350 on the Songmont website. It is a full leather bag as well, whereas the other 2 I showed you were like canvas, and the Longchamp only had a little bit of leather. This is a full leather bag. It is a grained leather. Here is what she looks like up close. It does have the Songmont logo right down here, and this is how you wear it if you want to wear it on your shoulder as a shoulder bag. And then it does have this really cute little gold lock detail that says Songmont. It's very cute. The handle here does come off, so you can detach this, and then you can turn this bag into a multitude of different shapes. So you can, or styles rather, but you can take these 2 little nubbins, fold it inwards, and make it into this adorable dumpling bag. This would be a fantastic night out bag. It's so cute, and I just love the shape of it, you guys. It is the cutest thing I've ever seen. And then if you wanted to, you can take this little piece of strap that we had a second ago, and it can go underneath the bag, and then you can close it up top, and then you can turn it into a little top handle bag like this, or like put it over the crook of your arm, something like that. It gives it a more of like an editorial style. It's like a different vibe. And then of course it does come with its own crossbody strap, so you can wear it crossbody if you want to do that. And again, it is full leather as well. It does open up like this. It has like a magnetic type of closure here, and then you open it up and it has a beautiful green interior. I actually love the fact that it has a colored interior because it makes it really easy to see your items. If it had a black interior, it would just be like a black hole, and it'd be very hard to see your items inside. It's also very spacious. You have a lot of room in this bag, and I love it. She is relatively inexpensive for a full leather bag. Again, $350. At the number 4 spot, I have 2 more to show you, and this right here is the Marc Jacobs mini tote bag in the leather in the color twine. This is one of my favorite bags that I own. I love this bag so much. It is one of my absolute favorites. This bag does retail for $395 on the Marc Jacobs website. It's really not that much difference in price when it comes to this and this. So it just depends on if you are wanting a more versatile bag, then I would go with this one. If you're wanting a bag that fits way more, and if you need it for like work or something, then I would go for this. Of course, you all know what the Marc Jacobs tote bag looks like. I feel like everybody has this handbag for a good reason. Like, this bag is amazing, and it genuinely, I did not think that I was gonna like it as much as I do. Here is what she looks like. It says the tote bag on the front there, and then it has the top handle, and then when you turn it to the side, it has this little extra piece of leather that holds the extra strap, because the zipper goes out longer than the length of the actual bag. So if you need to put bigger items in, you can do that pretty easily. And then it just tucks in. It's magnetized and it tucks into that little extra piece of leather there to keep it out of your way, which I love. And then nothing on this side. And then on the back, it has the other little plaque that we love. And then no feet on the bottom. On the inside, it is basically just a open hole. It does have one pocket right here that you can't really like remove it, but it can come out a little bit. But it looks like there's the little pocket right there, and then it does have a small tiny little pocket in case you want to put like, I don't know, a couple coins or one card or something like that. But yeah, it is very, very spacious and roomy. I absolutely adore this bag. I love it so freaking much. And with it being, again, this is a full leather bag as well, and with it being the size that it is bigger than the Songmont Luna bag at $395. I want to say it's a fantastic price. This did recently have a price increase though. It was actually the same price as the Songmont Luna bag. It was like $350, but they did have a price increase a few months ago and it is now $395. It is definitely a work bag or a very casual bag. It is small enough to be just an everyday handbag if you want to carry like a bigger bag, because big bags are coming back in style and I love that. But this is a fantastic kind of like medium to big. It's not big, it's like a medium-sized bag. It's definitely not like a small tiny little handbag. Even though it says mini size, it's still pretty large. But this would be a fantastic everyday running around doing errands, just your everyday bag. Or you can absolutely use this as your work bag if you're carrying like a laptop, like a 13-inch laptop or a 16-inch laptop that will not fit in the mini size, but a iPad mini I think will fit in here, or maybe even just like a regular iPad, but the Pro will definitely not fit in here, but I know an iPad mini will. But anyways, it also does come with a crossbody strap. I forgot to mention that. I love the fact that the strap is leather, but I don't love how skinny it is. I do wish that the crossbody strap was like a thicker kind of guitar strap, but c'est la vie. I could not find one. I tried ordering a couple on Amazon as well, but I just could not get the color right. The final bag I have here to show you is going to be my most expensive contemporary handbag, but you have definitely seen it before. I've showed it a ton on this page, and she also is just a amazing, fantastic handbag, and it is my Coach Pillow Tabby bag in the 26 size, and this does retail for $550 on the Coach website. Now, I say this every single time I talk about this bag. I would not purchase this for full price. I would wait for a sale. The only reason this bag is last is because full retail is $550, but I got this bag on Zappos for $395. So same price as the Marc Jacobs tote bag. You can find regular sales on like Coach outlet. You can find sales on Zappos, on Nordstrom. Does Saks carry Coach? If they do, then they probably have sales there too. And they usually have these sales. Sometimes they'll be random, but they usually have these sales during holidays. So like 4th of July is coming up relatively soon, so you might have a sale then. You might have a sale during Labor Day, Memorial Day, definitely Christmas, Thanksgiving, stuff like that. We'll definitely see more sales. But yeah, I would totally wait if you can to get this at a sale, because you can save like 200 bucks on this bag. It is the 26. They do have an 18 size that's much smaller. It's like take this and cut it in half basically. It would be like this big. It's very cute. It's like a mini bag and it's the cutest thing I've ever seen. I really want to get one of those too, and then I can do like comparisons. It does come with a crossbody strap as well, so you can wear her crossbody. And then here is what she looks like on the inside. It has one back pocket. It has a middle zip pocket in the center, and then it does have a big front pocket as well. This bag fits a ton of stuff. This actually fits more than this, but it's relatively the same. It's comparable, but it fits a ton. This handle, top handle here, also comes off. If you would like to wear this as a clutch or something like that, you could do that. Again, this is all leather as well. This one is Napa leather, and then it does have the brassy kind of gold toned hardware And there it is on the side as well. And then also it has this cute little dog tag, like the traditional Coach dog tag that all of their bags have. And it has the puffy texture as well. And it says Coach. And I love this pillowy texture so much. It's so fun. It's so like carefree. This bag is amazing and I love it so much. I have not had any issues, but I do think this is going to be your seasonal bag. This one I feel like would look the best in fall and winter, just with it being the texture it is as well. The 18 size I feel like can be worn all year round just because it's smaller. It does come in a lot of other really fun colors like pink and purple and kind of like a buttercup yellow, and that can be definitely worn during spring, summer. This one, with it being so big, I definitely just think it is more of a fall winter bag, but it's great. I also think it would be a really nice work bag as well. It looks very chic, looks really nice and professional going into the office or something. But yeah, that is my last one, and she is the most expensive, but she is a fantastic handbag nonetheless. Very versatile as well because you can wear her a multitude of different ways. But yeah, that is the last bag. You guys, that has been my contemporary handbag collection. Let me know in the comments what you think of the handbags I showed today. Let me know if you have any contemporary handbags and what they are, which one your favorite is. Just leave me a comment down below because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!